guys, it's Beltrami from Properties, and it is freaking Friday. I am bringing you this week's Showcase Home of the Week, and it is a beauty. This is a home that is located at 3906 Begg Street on the north side of Houston. It is a 3-bedroom with 2 flex rooms in the detached garage. It has 2 bathrooms. It was built in 1940. It's 1,934 square feet, and it has been completely redone. Guys, you need to come and check it out this weekend at their open house on Saturday from 12 to 3. It's a half mile from the light rail station. It's 2 miles from downtown, and the best of all, they're only asking $365,000. Guys, you gotta come check out this house this Saturday. Let's walk this house. Okay guys, so you walk into this home here in the entrance. It has an open concept. You have the dining, living room all together. You have the hood over the electric cooktop. You have the new cabinets, stainless steel appliances. You have the undermount farmhouse sink, and you have the quartz countertops. Wood floors all throughout this home. Nice space, fully open. Then you come to the 2 bedrooms off of the living room. You have carpet in the first bedroom. It faces the front. You have a fully rehabbed bathroom with a shower tub combo. Nice upgrades here. Then you have your 2nd bedroom, again with carpeting, and it faces the side of the house. Really nice space. Then off of the kitchen, you have your dining room or breakfast area, and then you have the master bedroom. Again, it has been fully redone, wood floors here. And then you have the master bathroom with the gorgeous shower, double sinks, tile on the floors, and the wood floors follow throughout the master. And then off of the dining room area, you have the step down that could be great as a sunroom, as a weight room, even as a study. It's all tiled throughout, and then it faces going into the dining room. Off of here is the garage that has the 2 flex rooms. Okay guys, isn't this house beautiful? Come check it out this Saturday from 12 to 3. Don't forget about the interactive map below that you can click on to look at any other houses that are having an open house. If you have any questions on this home or any additional homes, don't hesitate to contact me. My information is at the end of this video, and I will see you next week at the Showcase Home of the Week.